if you're wondering what to do with these things because it's really complicated, then this is how you do them. You simply just fold this side and then fold this side and then bring it round and fold again and then fold again, because it says do not cut, fold and all those sort of things, and then obviously fold it in the middle, and there you have your bag tag. And what they mean here by staple is by, if you put it down here, if you don't have a plastic holder like we do, you can put it like this and then staple them together. But because we've got a bag tag, you can put your tag in here really easily and it makes life super simple. So you can put it in here and then put it on your bag with a clip or something like that. That's it. Have fun.